Hi. So, as part of some online free resources that have become available, one of those resources is through this website, EDX, and it's basically prestigious colleges and universities from all over the world have put courses online and made them free to access. I found a really good course in developmental psychology, which is our current unit. So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to be opening this link. It's on the Google form. You're going to click Go to Class, and you're going to have to sign in. Let's see. I'm already enrolled, but you're going to click Enroll, and then you're going to have to create an EDX account. Just use your LPS email to create that account. So when you click, I already did it, so I can't show you, but when you click register, one of the options will be to register like with your Google email, and then just do that with your LPS email. So once you're all logged in and you've accessed the course, you're going to see this introductory video. Also, there's going to be a part that says you have to spend $100. That's not true. Just scroll down and click the option that says audit the course. Auditing just means that you're not going to get any type of certificate. You're just along for the ride. So you can just click audit. Okay, so once you watch this first video, you're going to go to the next screen and my internet's being a little bit slow. Sorry about that. But essentially on the next screen, you're going to see a series, like a little quiz or a series of questions. Make sure, I didn't realize this at first when I was first taking the course, make sure that you realize it's like a diagnostic. So it says, maybe it won't show me because I've already done it, but it will say like, see what you already know. Oh, here. It says, what do you already know? And then it will give you questions. And don't stress about it. It's just like a little diagnostic to see what you already know about developmental psychology. And then once you submit it, you can move on and watch the first video lesson. So all in all, in today's lesson, you're going to be watching the first 2 video lessons in this series. And there'll be some questions for you to answer to help you follow along with the lesson that I've also linked in the Google form. So you're watching first 2 videos in this video series. You're going to have to take some of these like diagnostic quizzes along the way, but don't let that stress you out. It's not going to affect your grade in any way. And then you're going to be taking notes in the document that I've linked to the Google form. And these notes are how I am going to give you participation for class for the day. Okay. These lectures are really good. I thought this was better than me creating my own developmental psychology lecture because I don't have as many resources available here in my house. This is a really amazing resource to get to watch Ivy League courses online and to follow along. So I figured we would use it. And as you know from my introductory video, we will be moving into new content starting this week because the AP exam is still happening. Okay. Anyways, log on, enjoy, and I'll talk to you all later.